morning, everybody. It's Trent Clarenbach with Clarenbach Research. Today is October the 1st, 2024, and I want to talk small green lentils this morning. So let's just check out the small green lentil page here. And this is on a member area of our website. And you can see here how our sentiment is neutral in the next 4 weeks and bearish after. Now, when I get to the chart, I'll be able to explain better why I have those sentiment ratings, but we'll just scroll down here to the charts. And yeah, you can see here, this is a long time weekly chart. And, you know, it looks like we identified maybe a cup on handle pattern forming. We get the cup and the handle, and we had the breakout. Now, we had the sharp, obviously the sharp sell-off here as we transition into the new crop year as we got closer to it. But, you know, the price has found a little bounce here in the last couple of weeks. So we'll see if that cup and handle pattern continues or if perhaps we resolve down to the longer term, you know, price trading range, which I would say would be sub 40. So we'll see what happens, but we'll look at these other charts for some more clues. Now, I prefer logarithmic charts for my analysis, in particular drawing trend lines. And you can see here, I drew this trend line. This goes back to like 1993, I believe it is. And touching at these tops, you can see this has been a level of, this trend line has acted as resistance and then support. You can see here now we broke below this trend line. Now we're back testing it on the other side here. And you can see this previous supply here, which often acts as a level of resistance just overhead. So it'll be really interesting to see how the price reacts at these current levels, if we get rejection at that trend line and this previous supply, or maybe we continue higher. But, you know, right now we're going to look, you know, right now we need to kind of watch and see, but be aware of these levels. So again, this is the weekly chart, and you can see here how, you know, we found, you know, buyers found support at this 50% retracement, Fibonacci retracement level. You know, it lined up nicely with this previous low in 2022. We're getting a rally. We're getting a rally back into the previous resistant levels of this. You know, could be a head and shoulders pattern, inverse head and shoulders pattern. We're getting back to test those levels. My price index is at 50 cents. I'm sure you can get higher prices in some select markets, but that's what my price index is at the moment. So we're right at that level, and this line here is actually the 38.2% retracement level, and using the Fibonacci retracement tool. And, you know, we're back testing that level. So I'll be really interested to see if we have resistance at this 50 cent-ish price level. Now, because of that, because we're back testing resistance, this is why I am neutral in my sentiment. So I really need to get above, you know, let's just say 52 cents before I become bullish. Now, I don't expect the price to go up and down in straight lines. Of course, it almost did here, but that's almost a rarity. And I do expect we'll see some consolidation perhaps around these levels, perhaps at this resistance level as the moving averages catch up to the price. So if we do break above 52, then the price is going to move up to these moving averages. But 51, 52 cent level, 50 cent level, right in here is a area of previous resistance, and I suspect it's going to take a bit of effort, a bit of energy to get the price above there. So it's an area of resistance. A good strategy is to sell into resistance. I'm not issuing any sell signals yet, but well, you know, that might change in the future. This is the logarithmic chart. You can see our price, take profit price targets from last year, and our bearish sell signal was a bit lower than our take profit price target, but nonetheless, that's where we were at. This red dotted line is the 10-week moving average, and I find that anytime the price breaks above the 10-week moving average, it's usually precipitates a nice rally. Well, we're getting that rally, you know, and we'll just see if it continues. But again, we're in this 50 to 52 cent level of previous resistance. The 50 cents is a round number. It's going to be a psychologically important number. So, you know, I really need to get above 52 before I become bullish small green lentils. My name is Trent Clarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. I believe it will be today. And life's good.